How long wilt thou forget me, Lord? Shall it forever be? Oh, how long shall it be that thou wilt hide thy face from me? How long take counsel in my soul, still sad in heart shall I? How long exalted over me shall be my enemy? O Lord my God, consider well and answer to me make. My eyes enlighten, lest the sleep of death me overtake, lest that my enemy should say, against him I prevail. And those that trouble me rejoice when I am moved and filled. But I have all my confidence, thy mercy set upon my heart. Within me shall rejoice in thy salvation. I will unto the Lord my God sing praises cheerfully, because he hath his bounty shown to me abundantly. I will unto the Lord my God sing praises cheerfully, because he hath his bounty shown to me